If you are here watching this video, that means your Pinterest account has been suspended, or you want to prevent your Pinterest account to get suspended. So if your Pinterest account is already suspended, then no need to worry. It might happen sometimes that Pinterest block or suspend newly created account due to some suspicious activity on that account which is against the terms and policy of Pinterest. So if that is the same case with you, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of getting your suspended Pinterest account back. So to learn this exact method, I recommend you to watch this complete video step by step till the end without skipping any part. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and I have just opened that account which has been deactivated. And as soon after I open this account, I have got this error message that your account has been deactivated. And you can see that there are 3 points written here and Pinterest is saying me that I might have done something from these 3 points. So let's start reading that point. Number 1 is violating Pinterest community guidelines. Number 2 is we noticed unusual activity on your account. Number 3, you requested an account closure. And at last it says that contact us if you have any question or would like to reactivate your account. So yes, in this case, we would like to reactivate our account. So after that, you need to open Google in your new tab and type here Pinterest account reactivation and click on enter. And from here, you need to click on this first link which says reactivate your account. So after that, when you scroll down, you can see that this is the page which is telling you the step to reactivate your account. So you need to go at last of this page and here you need to click on contact us. And you can see that there are 5 steps. You have already done step number 1 which was overview and now we are on step number 2. So we need to fill out all the form in all these steps and at last we need to submit the appeal for review. So once you have submitted that appeal for review, so after 24 hours, you will get contacted by any of the representative of Pinterest that will look into that matter, and if your matter is genuine and it's not of your mistake of violating any policy of Pinterest, then you can get your account back in 12 hours. So here, in order to proceed to step number 3, I need to fill out this form. I need to fill out the name, username and email address of this Pinterest account. So let's just fill out this one. Name, username, email address. And do you have access to this email? Yes, I have. And when I go down, click on continue. So here we are proceed to step number 3. And here we need to write a description and the reason of contact. So the reason of contact is my account was suspended. And in description, we have to type in detail like hi, support, my Pinterest account has been deactivated and I believe that it is deactivated due to any error, as I have read all the terms and condition of Pinterest platforms and before start posting my pins, and I have made sure I follow all the rules of using Pinterest. So at last you need to ask them or you need to request them that please give me my account back so I can start or I can continue my business on Pinterest, and best regards. So after typing this paragraph or a complete message in detail, like you need to convince them in this message that please give you your account back. So after writing this paragraph, you need to click on continue and that will proceed to you the next step, which is step number 4 and the detail step. So here, what device are you using now? I'm using computer. And what browser are you using? I'm using Chrome, and click continue. So our 4 steps has been completed and this is the final and last step, which says that did you get an error message? Yes, I have got the error message when I try to log into my Pinterest account. Yes, I got an error message. So here you can see that I'm on that window again, in which we have just got the deactivation error, and I just need to take the screenshot from here, and then I have to go again on that window and click on upload image And from there, you can see that this is that screenshot. I just need to select that screenshot and upload it here. So after uploading that screenshot, we need to wait and we need to click on continue. So as you can see that we have completed all of the 5 steps: overview, about, problem, details and review. And here it is showing us all the data we have just filled in here. And after reviewing all the data, we just need to click on submit and our application for account reinstatement of Pinterest will be submitted. And after 24 hours of submitting that application, you'll get the email from Pinterest about their decision. So you can see that it is saying that we have got your message and we will be in touch with you. If you can't see your email, check in your spam folder. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if after applying this strategy you have got your account back, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box below that you have just got your account back. So all of the other people who are watching this video can get motivated and will be able to use the same technique to get their accounts back. So if you find the material of this video helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this in future. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.